Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn regular, normal, overactivated slime into glossy slime. Now, I got my little sister here. Say hi, Allie. Say hi, Allie. Sorry guys, she just wants to ruin the video. At least put your hand in and then go like that.
No, I don't want to put my hand in and go like that.
Okay, fine. So, anyway, if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Katie. Today we're going to be showing you how to turn regular slime into glossy slime. Before I get started, please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Let's get into this. So if you want a slime just like this, and you have a horrible overactivated slime, I'm the right person for you to come to. So the first thing that you'll need is Suave Advanced Skin Therapy Lotion. You don't need to use this, but I find it works the best for a glossy slime. So my slime is basically already glossy, so I'm just gonna make it even more glossy by adding pumps everywhere.
Yummy corn dog.
And that's about it for all my pumps.
Look at it. It was just a kind of like an A.
Cool.
Ew.
My little sister is really reacting to this. So the slime gets... What?
I hate it.
My sister loves reacting to slime that I like. Sometimes she likes slime, sometimes she doesn't. Right, Allie? Now let's let these people
I
hear.
only hate it.
All right, you guys just listen to the sounds.
Mom, is that supposed to be for you? Is the football Katie's using is only for you?
No, we bought it for slime. Yeah, remember we bought it for my fluffy slime? Because I needed it for my fluffy slime, the Suave Kid Solution.
buy more tape? Mama, tomorrow can you buy more tape?
Tape?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. On the list. Katie, please stop that with my motion.
It's not yours, it's for the slime.
It's just for her, Katie.
She bought it at Publix for the slime. Remember, Mommy?
Yeah, no, I do.
Oopsies. Sorry, guys.
Katie, look at the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Cool. Guys, hope this is relaxing you because most of the time I don't get relaxed by just making glossy slime. A lot of people say that glossy slime isn't gonna be the best choice of slime, but it's really just fluffy, really shiny slime that never gets dirty. Also, tell me if you want me to order a bunch of slimes from KY Slime Company, because I love that slime shop and I want to do a review of their slimes. This slime over here is my test monkey. I turn it into all sorts of slimes. Like, it used to be a classic slime, then it was a fluffy slime, now it's a glossy slime, then it's a stretchy, yeah, like all those.
She mixed up my slime into her slime.
Yeah, because she gave me her slime.
No,
I know.
I didn't give you my purple slime.
So guys, this guy over here is my test monkey. I mixed in all my KY slimes into this except one very special butter slime. It's called Don't Feed the Unicorns Butter Slime. But let's get back into the video. If you guys have it, please comment.
Katie Mommy doesn't like slime. And I also hate it too.
When you were little, you used to always want to make slime.
No.
Now you don't want to anymore.
I hate slime, but slime is stupid and ugly.
Don't say that. You're cursing in viewers town.
No. Take this all day when you try to make YouTube channels. You make my body hurt. Really. Stick this into here and press like patty. I always in SpongeBob. Hey.
So guys, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.